Hi, Tammy McDonald. Thank you so much for joining me today. And hey, if you're watching this video right now, this tells me that you have a little bit of an interest in journaling, but you're really quite not sure if it's for you and what it entails. Well, we're going to get into that in just a moment. And hey, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I put out content every week that helps to inspire you in your own personal growth journey. So please consider subscribing to this channel and click that little bell so you will always be reminded when the next video comes out. Okay, well, let's get into this. Oh, and another thing, I wanted to let you know that I also have a link below the video that you can click on for free personal growth training. There's really good tips and strategies in there that'll help you on your way to becoming the best version of you. Anytime you want to click on it, go right ahead. So let's get into it about journaling. First of all, what is it? You hear about it all the time. Everybody's like, yeah, you should journal, you should journal. Well, if you're very, very novice to it and you really don't even know what it looks like, and hey, that's okay. Here's a little version of what a journal book looks like, okay? So as you can see, it's just really a bunch of pages that you're gonna write into and you're gonna get going on it. So let's go over the basics, and then I'm gonna give you a few tips on maybe something different that you can do and really what it could mean to you. Number one, you could write down 3 basic things in your journal. First of all, you can write down 3 things that you're grateful for today. For instance, this beautiful sunny day, these beautiful trees and bushes behind me, and hey, pets, I don't know, whatever you're grateful for, whatever makes you happy. There's no right or wrong in journaling. And then the next thing you can write down is 3 things that would make the day great. Well, for me, number 1, getting this video out to you. That's one of my micro goals. Number 2, hey, I would like to get my groceries done today. It could be anything that you want it to be. So, and then you can move on to your affirmations. You can move on to positive affirmations about you. You could say, I am, and then just fill in the blank. I am a super person. I am dedicated, and I'm a great parent. I am a loving individual. It's whatever you want it to be. These are just examples. But have you ever given this much thought? Does journaling absolutely have to be about words? What if you're a visual person and you want to just draw pictures of how you feel? Like hieroglyphics on a cave wall, like the caveman did. Why not put your thoughts into pictures on paper? So let's say, for instance, you're having a really crap day. So what better words other than this, just scribbling on the page? I think that would say it all, right? What about if you had like a fabulous day, like it couldn't have got any better? What if you just drew a picture of a unicorn? Like, hey, this was a unicorn day, it was the best ever. It could be any drawing that you want, or you can even do a combination of words and drawings. And you can make it as colorful as you want, or you can just do a plain old pen flower, whatever you want to do. It's your journal. So I sort of look at journals as a combination of a diary, a to-do list or a planner, and a place to put my own thoughts in real time. So think about it. Think about, if you're into history, because I'm totally into history. You know how they go in the caves, or they find scrolls or something, that they find ancient writing, okay? Either writing or pictures. And it actually is a snapshot of the people of the past and what was going on in their lives in that present moment. It's a snapshot of the past. Think of your journal as capturing your thoughts in real time. It's a snapshot of your life captured on paper in real time. Now, fast forward. Let's say you've been journaling for 6 months or a year, okay, and you're moving on to your second book. You can go back in time and look to see where you were 1 year prior and what your thoughts were and what your goals and aspirations were 1 year ago. In other words, you're looking back in your own past, your thoughts in real time on paper, and then you can see how far you came from point A to point B. I think that's a magical thing because this is a timeline of your life, not somebody else's life in a whole nother culture or a whole nother world. This is your life. And I think that could be very, very useful in your own personal journey. So, you know, it's just a tool for productivity. If it works for you, by all means keep this little tip, use it to the fullest consent. If it does not work for you, toss it out with the laundry. I don't know. But anyway, do what's right for you. And like I said, there is really no right or wrong way to journaling. It's your pages. Pick up the pages, jot down your thoughts of the day, jot down your micro goals that you need to get done. Whatever it is, draw a picture. Do what you feel you need to do in that moment and take a snapshot of your thoughts today. So hey, tell me what you thought about this. Drop me a comment below. I would love to hear from you. And also, if you're interested in learning more tips about personal growth, then by all means, click that link below, get my free training series, and I will be more than happy to teach and inspire you to become the best that you can be on your personal growth journey. All right, I will see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell. Bye.